Python real-time data, Kafka to WebSockets. What is Kafka and how does it work? Apache Kafka is an open-source event streaming platform. It is widely used for building real-time data pipelines and streaming apps. It acts as a message broker that allows for the efficient and reliable transfer of data between systems. Kafka is designed to handle high volumes of data and can scale horizontally to support the needs of large-scale applications. Kafka uses a publish-subscribe model. Why use Python for real-time data processing? Python's simplicity and readability make it an ideal choice for real-time data processing tasks. Python has many libraries and frameworks. They let developers quickly prototype and deploy data processing pipelines. Python's async programming suits it for real-time data streams. It can scale to meet high-volume data processing demands. Also, Python has a vast ecosystem of libraries and tools. They include Pandas, NumPy, and SciPy. They provide powerful ways to manipulate, analyze, and visualize data. How WebSockets enhance real-time data streaming. WebSockets are a powerful technology. They enable full-duplex communication between a client and a server over a single, long-lived connection. It allows real-time data transfer between a web browser and a server. WebSockets greatly improve real-time data streaming. They provide a persistent, full-duplex channel for clients and servers. This allows for instant data exchange. WebSockets allow continuous communication, unlike traditional HTTP requests. This tech optimizes bandwidth and ensures a smooth user experience. It allows for a rapid, real-time flow of updates. Conclusion. In conclusion, Python, Kafka, and WebSockets are vital for real-time data apps. Python is powerful and flexible.